paradise and martyrdom. These are the words of Sayyidul Astaghfar, which has been recommended to be recited in the Hadith in the morning and evening, and its excellence. It is mentioned in the Hadith that whoever recites these words with full faith during the day and dies before evening, he will be one of the people of paradise. In another hadith, it is mentioned, if the person who uttered these words died on that day, then the death of martyrdom will die. What are the words? And the words are, Allahumma anta rabbi, la ilaha illa anta khalaqtani wa ana abduka, wa ana ala ahdika wa wa'dika mastata'tu, a'udhu bika min sharri ma sana'tu. أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء لك بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. O Allah, you are my Rabb. There is no true God except you. You have created me, and I am your slave, and I hold to your covenant as far as I can. I seek refuge in you from the evil of what I have done. I acknowledge the favors that you have bestowed upon me, and I confess my sins. Pardon me, for none but you has the power to pardon. Ameen.